Have you ever wondered how much of your daily life is subtly influenced by artificial intelligence? From the moment we wake up, our smartphones powered by AI assist us in starting our day. AI curates our news feeds. It recommends songs that align with our musical taste on Spotify. It even helps us navigate through traffic on Google Maps. When we shop online, AI is the invisible hand guiding us to products we might like based on our past purchases and browsing history. It's not just tech companies utilizing AI, it's transforming industries across the spectrum. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases. In finance, it aids in detecting fraudulent transactions. Even in education, AI-powered platforms are personalizing learning experiences. As we can see, AI is not a distant concept reserved only for tech gurus or Silicon Valley. It's a present reality, subtly yet significantly shaping our everyday experiences. AI is no longer the future, it's here and it's now. You might be surprised to learn how AI is revolutionizing non-tech industries. Let's start with healthcare. Artificial intelligence is playing a game-changing role in this sector. It's not about replacing doctors, it's about assisting them. For instance, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of patient data and spot patterns that might be missed by the human eye. This predictive diagnosis allows doctors to provide timely intervention and potentially save lives. Now, let's look at education. AI is transforming the way we learn. With AI-powered platforms, teaching can be tailored to individual student needs, creating a personalized learning experience. It identifies areas where the student is struggling and adapts content to strengthen those areas. Imagine a classroom where every student gets a unique learning path. That's the power of AI in education. In the world of finance, AI is playing a significant role in detecting and preventing fraud. By analyzing millions of transactions in real time, AI systems can detect unusual patterns and flag potential fraudulent activities. This not only saves businesses billions of dollars each year, but also helps maintain trust in financial systems. But it's not just these industries. From agriculture using AI for better crop management to the fashion industry predicting the next big trend, AI is everywhere. It's in the books we read, the music we listen to, even in the way we commute. The essence of AI lies in its ability to learn from data, make sense of it, and provide insights that can help us make better decisions. It's a tool, and like any tool, its value depends on how we use it. These examples show that AI isn't just about coding or robotics. It's about improving our lives and industries in significant ways. AI is here, and it's not just for the tech-savvy. It's for doctors, teachers, bankers, farmers, artists. It's for everyone. And as we continue to unlock its potential, there's no limit to what we can achieve. So, next time you think of AI, don't just think of robots or code. Think of the myriad ways it's making our lives better, our work more efficient, and our future brighter. Because that's what AI truly is. It's not just technology, it's a catalyst for progress. For those of you who are intrigued but feel a bit overwhelmed, don't worry, there's a place for you in the AI world. Embarking on your AI journey isn't about becoming an overnight expert. It's about starting where you are, with what you have, and taking that first step forward. So where do you begin? Many find that online courses offer a great entry point. Platforms such as Coursera, Udemy, and edX have a multitude of AI courses tailored for beginners. These courses are designed to break down complex AI concepts into digestible modules, making the learning process less daunting. Books can also serve as excellent resources. Titles like AI Superpowers by Kai-Fu Lee or Artificial Intelligence, A Guide for Thinking. Humans by Melanie Mitchell provide comprehensive insights into the world of AI. They delve into the intricacies of AI, its potential, and its implications, all in a language that's easy to understand. Next, consider joining AI forums and communities. Websites such as Towards Data Science and AI Stack Exchange host a wealth of information where professionals, enthusiasts, and beginners alike share their knowledge and experiences. These platforms are perfect for asking questions, sharing insights, or simply immersing yourself in the vibrant world of AI. Remember, it's okay to start small. Maybe spend a few minutes each day reading an AI-related article or listening to a podcast. Gradually, you'll find that you're not just learning about AI, but you're starting to understand its language, its potential, and its implications. Importantly, it's crucial to remember that a technical background is not a prerequisite to understanding or benefiting from AI. AI is not just for coders or data scientists. It's a tool that's transforming every industry, every profession, and every aspect of our lives. So, start where you are. Use the resources available to you. Ask questions. Be curious. Learn at your own pace. And most importantly, enjoy the journey. AI is a fascinating field, filled with potential and possibilities. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Your AI journey starts with that first step. Let's talk about how AI is transforming the future of education. Imagine a classroom where learning is as unique as the students themselves, where each lesson is personalized to a student's strengths and interests. This is the promise of AI, an education system tailored to individual needs. AI can help level the playing field for students with special needs. It can provide real-time transcription for the hearing impaired, or adapt learning materials to suit different cognitive abilities. This use of technology is about making education more accessible, more inclusive. And what about preparing students for an increasingly tech-driven future? AI can play a key role here too. It can expose students to cutting-edge technology, fostering a new generation of innovators. But let's be clear, AI in education is not about replacing teachers. Far from it. It's about empowering educators with the tools to provide a more effective, personalized learning experience. As we embrace AI, it's crucial to consider its ethical implications and our privacy. Data privacy is a key concern. When we interact with AI, we often provide it with personal information. It's vital that this information is used responsibly and stored securely. Bias in AI is another significant issue. When AI systems are trained on biased data, their outputs can perpetuate these biases. The solution lies in ensuring that AI is trained on diverse, representative datasets. Transparency is equally important. We must be able to understand how AI makes decisions. This is the concept of explainable AI. Across the globe, initiatives are underway to promote ethical AI use. These advocate for fairness, accountability, and transparency in AI. They push for guidelines and regulations to ensure AI serves everyone equally. As we step into the future, it's not just about using AI, but using it responsibly. Let's hear from some individuals who have successfully transitioned into AI-related roles. Imagine Sarah, a seasoned healthcare professional, who harnessed AI to improve patient care. With no prior technical expertise, she dove into AI, learning how to integrate smart systems in her workflow. Today, she leads a team that designs AI tools to predict patient health risks, truly revolutionizing her field. Or consider John, a finance expert who saw the potential of AI in streamlining financial processes. He embarked on an AI journey, mastering the art of using machine learning to optimize investment strategies. Now, he's a sought-after professional in his firm, spearheading AI initiatives. And let's not forget about Lisa, a teacher who embraced AI to transform her classroom. She leveraged AI-based educational tools to create personalized learning experiences for her students. In doing so, she not only enhanced her teaching methods, but also empowered her students. These stories remind us that with the right mindset and resources, we can adapt and thrive in an AI-driven world. As we wrap up, remember that the potential of AI lies in our hands. It's reshaping industries, powering education, and making ethical strides, all while being accessible to everyone. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the bell icon for more content like this. Together, we can unlock the potential of AI in our lives.